and welcome to Warrior Trading Channel. Today, we're going to explore one of the most powerful momentum indicators in trading, the rate of change, ROC, indicator. This indicator is designed to measure the speed at which an asset's price is changing, helping you identify trends, spot potential reversals, and make informed trading decisions. This video is divided in 3 parts. Number 1. What is the rate of change indicator? Number 2. How it works signals. Number 3. Tips and tricks. Number 1. What is the rate of change indicator? The rate of change, ROC, indicator is a technical analysis tool that measures the percentage change in an asset's price over a given period. It's calculated by subtracting the closing price of an asset from its closing price a certain number of periods ago, and then dividing the result by the closing price a certain number of periods ago. Number 2. How it works for signals. Bullish signal. When the ROC indicator is above 0 and rising, it's a bullish signal, indicating that the asset's price is likely to continue rising. Bearish signal. When the ROC indicator is below 0 and falling, it's a bearish signal, indicating that the asset's price is likely to continue falling. Divergence. When the ROC indicator diverges from the asset's price, it can be a sign of a potential reversal. Number 3. Tips and tricks. Here are some tips and tricks to keep in mind when using the ROC indicator. Adjust the parameters. Adjust the parameters of the ROC indicator to suit your trading strategy. Use multiple time frames. Use the ROC indicator on multiple time frames to confirm trading signals. Combine with other analysis tools. Use the ROC indicator in combination with other technical and fundamental analysis tools to maximize your trading success. The rate of change, ROC, indicator is a powerful tool for traders, helping you identify trends, spot potential reversals, and make informed trading decisions. Remember to always combine the ROC indicator with other technical and fundamental analysis tools to maximize your trading success. Check my trades, make a lot of profit daily. Use the strategies. You can also make a lot of profit by following me. Boost your trading success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed. My expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. Join me in the next video for more trading insight. Channel, we assure you the potential for significant